Breaking news goes. Share tweet with the Midwest experiencing record low temperatures. President Donald Trump has taken the opportunity to mock the idea of global warming. What the hell is going on with global warming? Please come back fast, we need you. The president joked. Of course, this caused climate change supporters to freak out. The Midwest is currently bracing for dangerously low temperatures, causing climate change skeptics to question the idea of global warming. Heavy snow and powerful wind created blizzard-like conditions Monday across parts of the Midwest, prompting officials to cancel about 1,000 flights at Chicago's airports and close hundreds of schools. But forecasters warned the most dangerous weather is yet to come. Frigidly low temperatures that the region hasn't seen in a quarter century. Snowplow drivers had trouble keeping up with the snow in Minnesota and Wisconsin, where some areas got as much as 15 inches. Chicago area commuters woke up to heavy snowfall, with more than 5 inches already on the ground. In Michigan, non-essential government offices were closed, including the Capitol. Source: Daily Mail. But the snow is only part one, and maybe even the easier part because temperatures will plummet over the next 3 days, according to Brian Hurley, a meteorologist with the Weather Prediction Center. You're talking about frostbite and hypothermia issues very quickly, like in a matter of minutes, maybe seconds, Hurley said. Wednesday is expected to be the worst, with wind chills in northern Illinois potentially falling to negative 55 degrees. Which the National Weather Service called possibly life-threatening. Meanwhile, temperatures in Minnesota could hit minus 30 degrees with a wind chill of negative 60. The potentially record-breaking low temperature forecast in Milwaukee is negative 28 degrees, with a wind chill as low as negative 50. The current record of minus 26 degrees was set in 1996. That's 40 degrees below normal, said Hurley. When you think about it in that sense, that's a big whoa. Wednesday is looking like one of the coldest days ever on record in Chicago, with the high temperature expected to be 12 degrees below zero, which would be colder than some of the most frigid places on Earth. For example, the South Pole is expected to reach a high temperature of 4 below zero on Wednesday. Barrow, Alaska, the northernmost point in the United States, located above the Arctic Circle, will be 7 below zero. Zachenberg Station, Greenland, which is also north of the Arctic Circle, will be 11 below. While there is no weather station on the summit of Mount Everest, you would certainly expect even the base camp would be colder than Chicago, given it's at an elevation of more than 17,000 feet above sea level. No such luck. They're expecting a high of 30 on Wednesday. Source: CBS Chicago. President Donald Trump took to Twitter to mock the idea of global warming in the wake of such frigid temperatures. In the beautiful Midwest, wind chill temperatures are reaching minus 60 degrees, the coldest ever recorded, wrote the president. In coming days, expected to get even colder. People can't last outside even for minutes. What the hell is going on with global warming? Please come back fast. We need you. Indeed, it defies logic that the world could somehow be in the midst of a global warming crisis which so-called experts have blamed for everything from terrorism to the recent migrant caravan. Perhaps, this sort of fluctuation in temperature is actually normal. After all, it has been going on for centuries. This is just more proof that the climate change narrative was created